What's going on, guys? This is going to be a quick video discussing how to buy a call option on the Thinkorswim platform. Thinkorswim is a partner of TD Ameritrade, and this is some software you can use to buy stocks and options. Okay, so whenever you want to buy an option, this video is going to be talking about calls. So you're going to be bullish on the underlying stock or ETF, and then also you're going to have to determine how far out you want to buy this option contract. Now, Microsoft is a weekly option stock. So as you can see here, every week there's one expiration per week. Now there's other, ETFs. One that comes to mind is SPY, and they have 3 expirations per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday typically. So Microsoft, as you can see here, it's a weekly one. So we're just going to use that one for an example. What you want to do is you'll click whatever expiration date you want to. For this video, I'm just going to do February 5th, 2021. And I'm going to pick an out-of-the-money call option. So I am bullish on Microsoft this week. So the first thing I like to look at is the volume and the open interest. So you can see there's a lot of people that are currently buying these contracts or currently have them. So let's just say we want to buy the 240 call. So you want to select this column. Typically you're going to buy, the price you're going to buy is going to be in between these two or the mid price. So we'd probably look to get filled at $145 for this contract. So in order for this contract to break even, it's going to have to reach 241.5 or 241.50. But we can always close it before then if we don't want to go to full expiration with this contract. So you'll click review, and then you can see here you're buying the 240 call for $150, and then TD Ameritrade does charge 65 cents per contract, so it's going to cost us $150.65. Now this is after hours, so it's not going to fill, but we can change this to a market order, meaning it's going to just try to fill more than likely at the ask, somewhere close to that at the next time the market is open. So you can see here, Microsoft did report earnings last week. They did very well. This isn't financial advice. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial video to provide to you guys pretty much how to buy calls. But do understand your risk. In this scenario, our risk is the cost of the option, or $150. So essentially, if Microsoft has a red week and it doesn't reach close to our strike price, or it doesn't go up, if it just tanks by $20 or whatever, this contract is going to decrease in value. Specifically, it is going to decrease, if we look at our delta here, so 23.23, that is how much is going to decrease per $1 movement. So if the price goes up, so if it goes to 232.80, this contract is going to increase at a minimum of $23. There's also theta that is going to eat away at it, and then also gamma, which is going to pretty much fluctuate that delta depending on how the implied volatility and some other factors go along with that stock. But ideally speaking, 23 delta means it's going to go up $23 per $1 movement. And then TD Ameritrade also shows kind of like where your break even is. As you can see here, looks like around 233.92 is where we start to go positive based upon this particular day. So based upon today, if you went to 233.92, we would then start to make money on this. So as you can see, it just continues to increase as the stock goes up. But if it goes down, you can see we start to lose money there as well. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to make a couple more tutorial videos just to provide for you guys to have, just to learn a little bit more about options. But as always, do your own research before investing into the stock market, especially options, because options are, more volatile than individual stocks. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am just making this video for educational purposes only, just so you can get more familiar with how these options work and how to execute them on your particular brokerage. Now this is TD Ameritrade or the Thinkorswim platform specifically, but it is very similar across different platforms in the industry. All right, thanks for watching, guys.